This is Amit from The Best Nutrition, and this video is about carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the fuel of the body. Our body run on carbohydrates. They can be converted into energy with or without oxygen. And there are three types of carbohydrates: monosaccharide, disaccharide, complex carbohydrates. The monosaccharides are the simple glucose. They can easily convert it into energy very quickly. Disaccharides are when two monosaccharides get together, and they are mostly fruits, sugary fruits. Complex carbohydrates are whole grain foods. For example, brown rice, for example, wheat, leafy green vegetables also. Now, carbohydrates are rated on a scale. That scale is called glycemic index. That glycemic index is from 0 to 100. The food with high glycemic index will increase your blood sugar the most. Food with low glycemic index will increase your blood sugar to some level, or maybe they won't increase the blood sugar. We are not required to increase it until and unless we are working out. The least favorite among them is processed food. The food is processed for three reasons. It increases the shelf life, increases the quantity of the food, and makes the taste of the food better. The process actually eliminates some of the very important nutrients, which are vitamins and minerals. And these vitamins and minerals, when they are put back into the end product, the end food after the process, it is called enriched food. It is unhealthy, especially for people who are diabetic patients, who are cancer patients, hypertension patients. Many of the diseases are there which doesn't require you to consume too many carbohydrates, and especially high glycemic index food. These are certain foods that you need to avoid because they are high glycemic food and have a high blood sugar response. And the fortified food is one in which they add nutrients that were not actually or naturally present in the food. The food that we need to consume are the complex carbohydrates. These are the few foods that we can consume and we should consume on daily basis in order to be healthy and stay away from diseases. Now you know what carbohydrates are. And carbohydrates are very important. They never make you fat. But if you're reducing weight, if you are reducing fat, you have to reduce your carbohydrates. Carbohydrate intake is a hurdle towards weight loss. Okay? So for that you have to run your ketogenic diet. Ketogenic diet in which you reduce your carbohydrates, and especially those carbohydrates which are very high in their glycemic index. When you run your ketogenic diet, your body gets into ketosis. Ketones are produced, ketones that are acetoacetate and hydroxybutyrate. They are created out of fatty acids. Your body burns more fat, you lose more weight. But you have to run it for some period of time. You cannot run it for the rest of your life, because ketosis is actually is a state that increases acidity inside your body. So you don't need that ketosis for too long. Maybe you have to run that ketogenic diet until you achieve your goals. Okay, so eat complex carbohydrates, eat healthy, stay healthy, and work out. The best nutrition.